Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have an Ipsy bag. Now, if you do not know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription. They send you 5 beauty products ranging from sample to full size for $13 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. You get to pick one of the 5. Now, I know some things are changing in Ipsy right now. They've absorbed Boxy, so I'm not 100% all these prices are correct. I'm going to do some more research later, but I just got to get this filmed while I have a chance because I'm busy. Then they have the Glam Bag Plus, 5 full-size products every month for $28 plus $1.99 for that handling fee. You get to pick 3 of those 5 items. Or you can get the Ipsy Glam Bag X. That is a quarterly box and it replaces one of those 2 for that month. It's $58 plus the $1.99 handling fee that they've added to everything. It's supposed to be worth $350 or so. There's 7 to 8 full-size products in that, and it's curated by big celebrities each month. So, those are your options for your subscriptions now. Like I said, I know it's changing because of their absorbing Boxy into it, and there's going to be like the tIcon box and different things. It's kind of confusing. I will put a link up above that will take you to my Boxy unboxing, my last Boxy unboxing, where I explained a little more of what's happening to Boxy if you want to go watch that. Also, don't forget Ipsy does have the great store where you can get amazing products at amazing discounts. So that's fun too. If you want to try Ipsy, there is a referral link down below in the description box. I'd appreciate it if you use my link. It does help me out. Let's look at this thing now. I mean, I was kind of thinking I had unsubscribed to Ipsy, but maybe I kept one subscription and just canceled my other one. I cannot remember. Or this may be my last one. Who knows? Look at the bag this month. Oh, that's kind of cute. Swanky almost. Could carry that as a tote. It says, step into your power, March 2023. This month is an all-out celebration of women's empowerment. As your biggest allies on the journey to self-expression and confidence, we're giving you everything you need to embrace your unique beauty. From a feel-good beauty routine to a community of inspiring women cheering you on along the way. Because when women come together, we're not only powerful, we're unstoppable. Okay, I agree with that. So here's it's telling about the tIcon box. Like I mentioned, introducing the tIcon box is the $350 or up. Glam Bag X will now be called the tIcon box. And Boxycharm's quarterly box is the tIcon box. So I guess they're just combining those 2. It's the same membership you love now with a new name and more perks than ever. Upgrade to an tIcon box, and once every quarter you'll receive it in place of your monthly shipment. For only $58 a quarter, you'll get 8 full-sized uber coveted products. You choose 3 from the collection curated by beauty's industry icons. It says they're up to their brows with excitement for the very first tIcon box curator. Stay tuned at Ipsy.com. Or it says at Ipsy. All right, on the inside, it tells my products, and it says the moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued at $50 or more are yours. Let's open the baggie and see the 5 products. Ta-da, there they are. Okay, bye. No, I'm kidding. Let's look at the inside of the bag. Very pretty blue, easy to wash. These bags, great to tuck in your purse. I use them since I carry a big tote all the time. I use them as dividers. So I have one for my medications I need to carry with me, one for my pens and odds and ends, one for my makeup stuff, you know, just different baggies, and I know what baggie has what thing. It makes it so much easier to find stuff in your purse. I mean, can't even. But yes, this one is very cute. Look at that. I hope it looks like a coin. Very cute. Okay, the first thing I see on here is this Dionis Nutty Vanilla Goat Milk Hand Cream. I've used these goat milk hand creams before. I actually kind of like them. So this one says, for soft, supple, and moisturized hands without a greasy residue, reach for this cream. It helps nourish and comfort your chapped skin with vitamins and minerals from goat milk. Plus, the vanilla scent smells so delish every time you smooth it on. It says, tip, use this on slightly damp hands to lock in moisture. I already knew that, but yes, good tip. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size version is $12. Goat milk hand cream. I mean, I am a Southern girl, and my mama did raise goats, but we didn't milk them. They were the fainting kind. I want one so bad, y'all, but I can't be tied down. You know, I'm having to travel so much with Dad and everything, and Dad's health. I can't be tied down to the house. Thank the Lord, the cats are easy, and you don't have to worry about them as long as you have an automatic feeder and water and stuff. You just don't have to worry about them. It's so great. Oh yeah, very vanilla, very nice. Not overpowering, but it's really nice. I like that one. Next, we got another brand I'm familiar with. This is First Aid Beauty. I like it because it's so good for sensitive skin. This is the Hydrating Serum with Hyaluronic Acid. Dehydrated skin, meet your new BFF. It says this lightweight serum is a heavy hitter in the hydration department. Thanks to the hyaluronic acid, it helps to instantly boost your skin's moisture for up to 24 hours without any stickiness. Tip, apply this after toning and before any thicker serums, oils, or your moisturizer. This is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version is $40. Now, I'm probably not going to open this one because I haven't been doing the serums lately. Shame on me. I just haven't. Oh, it's not sealed. Well, that's surprising. Let's see if I can get a drop of it without touching anything. No scent to it. Feels nice. Now I got something on each hand. Yay! Okay. Next, Mischo Beauty Blush and Madame. All right. Mischo. I don't know that brand. That's interesting. I like getting new brands I hadn't heard of. I can get it out of the bubbly wrap. All right, and it's a blush, if I can get it open. All right, pretty. Just a cute little blush. I hope it will blend a little better. I'm sure it would. That's interesting. Let's see what it says. Treat your cheeks to a silky smooth flush in a soft coral pink shade that's highly pigmented and lasts all night. It was highly pigmented. And it was soft and silky. Tip, sweep this blush across the bridge of your nose for a flawlessly flushed out look. I already do that. I put that, yeah. This is a deluxe size sample. The full size version is $41. All right, next we have nail polish. Trust Fund Beauty. I don't know why that tickles me. This is nail polish in Yacht. Yacht. Give your nails as much needed vacay from the usual nude nail colors in your mani repertoire. With this fun 21 free, aka non-toxic navy blue polish. This highly pigmented, super long wearing, so you stay nailing the mani-pedi game until it's time for a color change. Tip, wait for the first coat of polish to completely dry before applying another coat. I have such a hard time doing that. I am not a patient person. I just want to get it all on and be done. This is a deluxe sample. The full-size version is $15. So let's look at this navy blue nail polish. Oh yeah, it's navy blue, all right. You can't even see the writing. I know it's there. But yeah, we can't see it. I'm gonna put it on a different finger this time. I normally put it on my thumb. We're putting it somewhere else this time. Wow, it is a navy blue color. This would be a toe color for me. I don't think I could wear that on my nails. It's just so bold, and I tend to not go for as bold on my nails, but on my toes, it'll get worn on my toes. So there's the color. I do think it's really pretty though. Really, really pretty. It's great accent nail. You could do a lighter tone on the rest of them. Okay, I'm okay with that. The last thing we have is this Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Lip and Symbol. Coat your lips in rich rosy pink color with a velvety soft finish when you use this highly saturated liquid lippy. It's made with carnauba wax and choline clay for long-lasting wear that stays comfy all day too. I'm sorry if I mispronounced any of that. Tip, fake a lip tint by adding a tiny dot in the center of your lips, then blot to blend. I actually have pretty tinted lips, but okay. This is a full size and it is $21. Let's see. All right, there's the one. And I'll put it right here. Oh, that's pretty. The slightest of chemical smells. The slightest. So what do we think of this month's Ipsy bag? You got the cute little baggie, the liquid lippy, you got the blush, the nail polish, which is actually really pretty. I'm digging it more now that I've got it on longer. You got the goat milk hand cream and the serum from First Aid Beauty. Now, they were all deluxe samples except for this one, which was a full size. But still, I don't think that's too bad for the price. What do y'all think? I want to hear your opinion. Y'all comment below. I'd love it if you give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd really appreciate it if you do. Oh my goodness, Bonnie, you making your bell? Click on everything. She's talking to me now. Meow. Meow. Yeah, a cat's life. Anyway, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribing is free and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends, press that notification bell, and if you want to donate to the cause, which is continuing to revamp this room and decorate it, there are two ways to do that. You can press the super thanks button, which is down below with all the other buttons I was talking about. It's like leaving a tip to YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com. I'm under Unboxed by G. The link is down below, and you can tip me that way as well. Y'all, I really appreciate you spending a little bit of your day with me. Hope the rest of it is wonderful. God bless.